Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 1999 Honda Accord door handle. Start by gathering tools and a replacement handle and clear a workspace near the car. I will describe panel removal, fastener locations, and gentle prying techniques. Follow each step slowly and keep track of screws and clips in a container. I will explain common tight spots and show how to test the latch before reassembly to ensure the handle works smoothly and safely. Begin by removing screws at the armrest and door pull, then carefully pry the trim pieces with a plastic tool. Work around the panel to release each clip, applying steady pressure to avoid cracking tabs. Once loose, lift the panel up to clear the window channel and set it aside. Disconnect wiring plugs for power locks or speakers, keeping screws and clips in a labeled container so reinstallation stays simple and frustration-free. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for cleaning up garage dust and drop screws with voice control and smart mapping, making post-repair cleanup effortless. It even helps keep rags and small parts area tidy so you can focus on the job. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Reach into the cavity and remove the bolts holding the handle and support bracket, then detach the linkage from the latch. Pull the old handle free and compare it to the new part to confirm fit and orientation. Attach the linkage to the new handle, slide it into position, and reinstall bolts snugly but not over-torqued. Test the action from both inside and outside before reattaching the panel to verify smooth operation and correct alignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.